Guess what we're barbecuing today? You got it, chicken. Ooh, chicken. I love the taste of a yummy, juicy barbecue yard bird. Now first off, we need to go get ourselves a big, fat, plump bird. And seeing how I'm just a regular old farm boy, I'm gonna get one here. It might be easier if you went to the store. Let's go! We're the boneless chickens. They don't run as fast. Oh, little chickens, wouldn't you like to come to one of my barbecues tonight? We've come out here to Fullerton, California, and we've come to a public park. Now here at the park, you find these kind of grills all over the place. They've got this big, wide grate to them. They've got a pan down here to put your charcoal. You know what we call today's show? Barbecue Chicken 101. Class? Class? Bueller? I'm getting hungry. Let's go! What I brought today is the Best of the West hickory smoking chips. Now there's two ways to cook using briquettes and smoking chips. You can put your chips directly on the flame, which means they'll burn real hot, real fast, and real smoky. The second way is to put your chips into water, let them soak for about 20 minutes. Then when you put them on your flame, they'll burn a lot slower, they'll still be smoky, and you'll have a much more even heat. Today, all we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little spice on one half of our chicken. The spice comes from the Salt Lick from Driftwood, Texas. Now the trick with using barbecue sauce is you want to wait till it's about 10 minutes before it's all done. Then you spread your barbecue sauce on the chicken. It'll keep it from burning and getting caramelized. It'll come out a lot better, trust me. Let's spice these guys up. Let's give them a good liberal coating on both sides. Looks like our coals have burned down pretty good. Let's go ahead and transfer them onto the plate. Now, this is a good opportunity to put your soaked chips on top of your coals. Oh, you can hear those things fizzle. And let's go ahead and transfer our coals down into the pit. I'm gonna go about halfway down. I'm gonna just spread out the coals a little bit, make it kind of even so that we have a good even temperature all the way across. Let's put our chicken on. Let's put the bone side of the chicken down. Those pieces are for the barbecue sauce, they're plain. These pieces have the spice on them from the Salt Lick. All right, these babies been cooking for a while. Let's give them a turn. Oh yeah! We're getting some chicken cooked now, baby. Look at that. Look at that nice leg on there. You can still see though, if you look, pretty raw on that side. One thing about chicken is you want to make sure that you cook it all the way through. All right, we're coming up to temperature now. We're at 157, 158. We're shooting for about 160, 165. So we're gonna put on some barbecue sauce on our chicken now. I'm using a silicone-based brush. So you can see by the barbecue sauce is starting to thicken up on the top side. I think it's about time to give them a flip. Okay, we're all set. Our chicken is done. Oh baby, oh look at that, it's perfect on the dry rub chicken. You can tell, look at how nice and moist that is through there. We're gonna cover it up with the lid. We're gonna pull it off to the side, let them rest for about 5 minutes. This is gonna be some good chicken. All right, let's see how we did here. All right. We got some barbecued chicken with the barbecue sauce on it. That's that nice looking leg. And I've got a piece of the dry rub chicken. There's that big full breast. That looks pretty good to me. That was so good. I can really taste the hickory flavor from the Best of the West hickory smoking chips. That was a real winner for us. And you know, you always gotta wash it down with a little bit of red grape juice, if you know what I'm talking about. Huh? So congratulations, you are now a graduate of Barbecue Chicken 101. If you got a tassel, you can turn it. Come back and join us again next time. From the pit.